Alright, so this is February 19th, 2026 trade recap. And I did not take a trade, filming this really late because it's the only time I could. And just, I barely looked at the charts today. I haven't really been able to, sadly, with school. But, alright, let's just start off by marking the time. Actually, wait, it should already be marked. Yeah, it's already marked out for me because I did it earlier this morning. Okay. So mark out highs and lows. La la. High already swept. London high. These lows. Okay. So this is a bad day for trading, especially for New York session. Just pure consolidation all the way up till like 12 through a little breakthrough down. It's a good day that I wasn't really on the charts today. I definitely would have probably taken a trade. Yeah. No. Yeah, I might have taken a trade somewhere in this area. Probably. Actually, no, it's kind of. Let's see. Yeah, I think I would definitely have taken a trade off of like this order block retrace through this inversion and then break a structure. I probably would have entered off here and would have gotten stopped out. Actually, no, I probably would have exited my trade once this consolidation was just going for so long. Because once the market's already moving like that, there's probably not going to be many big moves for the day. So I probably would have just exited my trade probably around like, probably somewhere in this range after seeing all this consolidation for the past like hour. And I probably would have made maybe a little profit. I wouldn't have traded this sweep or this sweep because it's kind of too close to New York Open. I'm a little scared to trade that time, or not scared, but like I just had bad experience with that time, so I wouldn't have traded then. Well, I really don't know what else to show for this trade recap, so we can look at some other charts for now, just because I really didn't even have a trade, and might as well. Look at the NASDAQ, which is basically the same thing. It just did the exact same thing, okay? See what silver is doing. Silver has went down a crazy amount recently. Just, and I don't really think it's going to come back up to where it was for a long time, in my opinion. And yeah. Oh, I want to see the Bitcoin charts because I made a video off of that a while back. I want to see what it's doing. Na, 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 na. What day? What day? There we go. Alright. So I was thinking that the chart was going to retrace somewhere down into this area before moving back up, and it's kind of starting to look like that's going to happen. Actually, it might be creating equal lows or trying to create equal lows off of this to break through, then to push higher. But I feel like my bias that I created through that video is still doing pretty good, which I'm happy with. And I feel like there's really nothing for me to show because today's market was just straight up consolidation the whole day. I mean, yeah, there's really nothing to trade. I think we probably bounced off of. Wait, we got the hourly. Yeah, it just looks like we were moving off of this like imbalance range, trying to push lower through the longer time frame. Yeah, just showing that downside bias was in place. I think that's kind of why it started just consolidating and not actually pushing towards Asia and previous day highs. And I think that's really it for the trade recap. I don't really have that much to talk about. It's super late. So, yeah. If you watched, thank you. And hopefully I can make a video tomorrow early because I won't be at school. Maybe I'll try and stream if I'm even allowed to. I'll have to look that up in a second. And yeah, thank you. Have a good day.